Everyone wants to be a millionaire, right? It's one of the biggest dreams in the modern world. And if you ask around, most people will tell you there's only one way to get there: start a business. But what if I told you that starting a business might actually slow you down? What if there was a faster way to build wealth that most people overlook? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you might completely rethink your path to financial success. Starting a business is often romanticized. We see stories of tech founders turning a small startup into a billion-dollar company. We hear about entrepreneurs who went from zero to millions in a few years. But what we don't hear as often are the countless people who start businesses and get stuck. Stuck in stress, stuck in debt, and stuck in years of hard work without any significant financial gains. So, let's break the myth. Becoming a millionaire doesn't always require a business. In fact, in many cases, taking the entrepreneurship route can actually make the journey longer, riskier, and more stressful. Let's get real for a second. Starting a business is not as simple as it seems. Here's why. First, businesses take time to be profitable. Most startups take at least 3 to 5 years before they see real profits. And during that time, you might be reinvesting everything back into the business, leaving little room for personal wealth accumulation. Second, businesses come with huge risks. Statistics show that about 90% of startups fail. That means if you start a business, the odds are not exactly in your favor. You could end up pouring years of your life into something that doesn't work out, leaving you worse off than when you started. And third, running a business is demanding. It requires long hours, dealing with employees, handling unexpected problems, and competing in a crowded market. Not everyone wants that kind of lifestyle. So, if starting a business isn't the only way, what's the alternative? Well, what if instead of spending years struggling with an uncertain business, you focused on making a high income through other means and then investing that income wisely? Think about it. Many people become millionaires through high-paying careers, smart investments, or leveraging skills in ways that don't require starting a full-scale business. Here's a secret. Instead of focusing on business ideas, focus on developing high-income skills. Skills that can pay you 6 figures or more per year without requiring a business. Some examples include sales and negotiation. Companies pay big money for people who can close deals. Software development. Programmers can earn well over 6 figures in the right industries. Copywriting and marketing. Businesses need experts who can craft persuasive messages. Freelancing in high-demand fields, graphic design, consulting, or financial planning can be highly lucrative. These skills allow you to earn a strong income without the stress of running an entire business. And the best part? You can start making money almost immediately. Now, let's talk about the real millionaire maker: investing. If you can earn $100,000 per year and invest a portion of it wisely, you can reach millionaire status in a decade or less. Here's how. Index funds and stocks. Historically, the stock market has averaged around 7 to 10% returns per year. That means even moderate, consistent investments can grow significantly over time. Real estate investing. Rental properties or real estate appreciation can generate significant wealth without requiring you to build a business from scratch. Other passive income streams, dividend stocks, REITs, and even royalties can create income while you sleep. The key is consistency. You don't need a risky business to build wealth. You just need to make smart money moves over time. Here's something most people don't realize. The majority of millionaires aren't startup founders or business moguls. Many of them are everyday professionals who saved and invested wisely. According to studies, a large portion of millionaires are people who worked in high-income careers, saved aggressively, and invested intelligently. They didn't waste years struggling with an uncertain business. Instead, they built financial freedom through steady, calculated moves. So, what's the takeaway here? If you're passionate about starting a business, go for it, but don't assume it's the only way to become wealthy. In fact, for many people, starting a business can be the slowest path to financial success. Instead, consider focusing on high-income skills, smart investing, and financial discipline. These can get you to $1 million faster, with less risk and stress. The world is full of opportunities beyond just running a business. So, before you dive into the startup grind, ask yourself, is there a better, faster way for you? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. What's your strategy for building wealth? Do you think entrepreneurship is worth it, or is there a better way? Let's discuss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.